How to fix haste crashing on Steam. So first you wanna click on the game in your library if you have it already installed. So you would click and go to Properties, Installed Files, and click on Verify the Integrity of Game Files. Then wait for this process to finish. And once it's done, you want to click on the Browse button at the top here. And it should open up this window. Right click on the game's exe file, go to Properties, Compatibility, and check both of these options, disable full screen optimization and run this program as admin. Now you want to click on Apply and OK. And you can close this. Now you can try to launch the game again to see if that solves the problem. Otherwise, what you can do is right click on the game properties and go to General tab. And under launch options, you want to specify this option here, DX11, like this, -DX11. And then you can close this. Now you want to make sure that you have the latest GPU updates installed. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you'll most likely need to install the NVIDIA app. And then you'll need to open it and go to drivers section. Click on this arrow to check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And the last step is to make sure you have redist or redistributables installed. So you want to search for redist and click on the first link. Now scroll down to this table and download the 86 and the 64 version and install them individually. And once you're done, you might need to restart your computer before trying to play the game. Now you will need to launch Steam as administrator and basically just click on play, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.